We're here at Summerhill Stables, the accommodation for the tramway's horses. They've been here since 1877. Douglas during the 1870s was a very, very different place from what we know here today on Douglas Promenade. Certainly the roadway along the seafront was very much a single track, unsurfaced road for the large part. Douglas was undergoing a tourist transformation due to the booming visitor numbers through the 1870s and onwards, and entertainment complexes, hotels, guest houses were popping up along the seafront, and obviously the thousands of visitors that were coming to the island every summer needed somewhere to stay. And Thomas Lightfoot obviously realised that they needed a way to get to and from that accommodation, and the Douglas Bay Horse Tramway was born. So the site purchased by Thomas Lightfoot in 1877, at the time the number of horses working on the tramway was increasing. As he was purchasing more tram cars, he obviously needed more horses to work those trams. And Summerhill Stables, as it's become, presented that site for him to develop that. At the time, working stables were not a rare thing, whereas today Summerhill Stables is something quite unique in the world of heritage transport as such, probably one of the oldest still working stables for its original purpose anywhere in the world. At the time, it wouldn't have been uncommon to find stables across the Isle of Man even for horse-drawn carriages and carts. Horses really were still in their heyday as the chosen form of transport. At its peak, during the 1930s, there was at least 4 sites that were in use for stabling the horses, both here at Summerhill, across the road in what's now the Kane Memorial Garden, behind the Queen's Hotel, a little bit further down the promenade, and then right down into Douglas Centre. Fort Street as well also had a small stable block there that was in use by the tramway. So at its peak, 135 horses were in operation on the tramway, and it's quite a sizable operation compared to the 21 horses that are involved with the tramway today. And you can imagine it was a very, very busy place. The horses in those days as well, working a longer day to cover all of those extra trams. So really Summerhill Stables would have been quite a busy and industrious place in its day.
Bobbing off there, are you, son?